fast. And doing the 60 in just 3.7 seconds. A car was racing homeward, and they stopped to look. Now imagine, the car is electric. Meet the Tesla Roadster, part of a new wave of electric